Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out a USPS Priority Mail Express label the right way, so your package gets delivered smoothly without any delays. So first, start with the addressing for success section. So this is the to area in the middle of the label. Write the recipient's full name or the business name if you're sending it to a company. Then enter the full address. So use either a street address or a PO box, not both. Add apartment, suite, or unit numbers if they apply, and include any direction like north, south, east, or west if it is part of the address. Next, fill out the return address. So this is usually in the top left corner or in the from box if the label has one. This part is really important because it tells USPS where the package came from and where to send it back if delivery isn't possible. So write clearly and use a dark pen or marker so everything is easy to read. And then after that, look over the shipment details. So for US deliveries, Priority Mail Express labels already include tracking, and if you're mailing internationally or to a military address, you may need to attach extra forms like custom paperwork. So for military address, don't use a city name. Use APO, FPO, or DPO in the city field, and use AA, AE, or AP in the state field. Also, always double check the zip +4 code before you send it. If you don't want to write the label by hand, you can create and pay for it online using click and ship, then print it at the home. That can be easier since the details are typed and the barcode prints clearly for scanning. So once your label is printed and attached, make sure it is secure and easy to see, and then don't place tape over the barcode. So after that, you can drop it off at any post office. Use a collection box if it fits, or schedule a free pickup through USPS online. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.